When it comes to improving your home's curb appeal, few elements have as significant an impact as the entry door. In Layton, where the landscape boasts a mix of traditional and modern homes, choosing the right entry door can make a world of difference in how your home is perceived. Whether you're looking to sell or simply enhance your home's aesthetic, a stylish and functional entry door can serve as the focal point of your exterior, giving your house a fresh, welcoming look. The first impressions matter. Your front door is more than just a point of entry. It's the first thing people notice when they approach your home. In fact, experts suggest that a well-maintained, attractive entry door can increase your home's value and leave a lasting impression on visitors, potential buyers, or passers-by. In a community like Layton, where homes range from modern builds to charming older residences, choosing an entry door that complements your architectural style is key to boosting curb appeal. Choosing the right style for your home. The perfect entry door should reflect your home's overall style while also adding a touch of individuality. Whether your home is traditional, contemporary, or somewhere in between, the right door can elevate its aesthetic. Traditional homes. For homes with a classic or colonial design, a solid wood door or a steel door with a decorative glass insert can add a timeless look. Rich, deep colors such as navy blue, forest green, or burgundy are often favored for these types of homes. Consider adding side lights or a transom window for added elegance and light. Modern or contemporary homes. Sleek, minimalist doors work best for more modern homes. A solid, flat panel door with clean lines and a neutral color, such as matte black or white, can give your home a chic, sophisticated look. For an even bolder statement, consider incorporating materials like glass, steel, or composite wood to create a cutting-edge design. Craftsman or bungalow styles. These homes often feature doors with intricate woodwork and craftsmanship. A wood door with rich details, like glass panels framed with beautiful molding or handcrafted hardware, can enhance the warmth and charm of your home. Function meets design. Durability and security. While aesthetics are important, your entry door also needs to offer durability, security, and energy efficiency. In Layton, where the weather can range from hot summers to snowy winters, it's essential to select a door that can withstand the elements. Material matters. Solid wood doors are beautiful but may require more maintenance to keep them looking their best. Steel doors, on the other hand, offer enhanced security, greater energy efficiency, and are less prone to weather damage. Fiberglass doors are another great option, as they provide the appearance of wood without the maintenance, and they offer superior insulation properties. Energy efficiency. With rising energy costs, ensuring that your front door is properly insulated is more important than ever. Look for doors with energy-efficient features such as foam core insulation, double or triple glazed windows, and weather stripping to reduce drafts and keep your home comfortable year-round. Security features. Your front door is the main entry point into your home, so it's important to choose one that offers security. Look for doors with reinforced frames, high-quality locks, and sturdy materials. A well-built door can provide peace of mind while still enhancing your home's curb appeal. Adding a personal touch with color and hardware. the color of your entry door plays a crucial role in its overall impact. Bold, bright colors such as red, teal, or yellow can give your home a welcoming, vibrant feel, while neutral colors like charcoal, navy, or taupe can add sophistication and elegance. Don't forget to consider the hardware, as handles, hinges, and locks can all contribute to the overall aesthetic. High-quality, decorative hardware can transform a simple door into a statement piece. Consider professional installation. Once you've selected the perfect door, it's important to have it professionally installed. A poorly installed door can lead to air leaks, security vulnerabilities, and diminished curb appeal. Working with a local expert ensures that your entry door is fitted correctly, operating efficiently, and adding maximum value to your home. Final thoughts. In Layton, the right entry door is more than just a functional addition to your home, it's a statement. Whether you're looking to create a welcoming atmosphere for guests or improve your home's market value, choosing a stylish, durable entry door is an investment that pays off in both form and function. By considering your home's architectural style, material preferences, and the door's security and energy-efficient features, you can transform your home's exterior into a beautiful and inviting space.